Open my door. There we go. I'm gonna lock it. Go. Wait. Now I'm going to my computer. OMG, how does this happen right now? I don't know what happened. And maybe I should turn off this right now. Because it's just maybe a fake or something. I don't know. It's nighttime. I'm gonna go to sleep. Oh, I forgot to change my clothes to sleeping clothes. I'm gonna go here. What is that? There, do I hear something noises? I don't know. I'm gonna go get back. And there we go. That should do a bit. Okay, there we go. And let's go to my room. There's no one here. I don't know. Maybe I should go sleep right now. Right now. Someone doorbelling. Someone doorbells. There's no one here. Weird. Are they? Oh, it's haunted right now. You know? No, there's no one here. Let me go back. I'm gonna lock my door. Let's go. Now let's go sleep. In the morning. Oh, it's morning. I better go wake up. Get up, I guess. And let's go change my clothes. There we go. And oh yeah, I'm going there, but I don't know which. And I'm just gonna wash my hands right now. There we go, I'm done. And let's get these. There we go, I'm done. Let's go to the noise that, and I'm gonna put maybe I guess. There we go. There we go. That should do. And I'm gonna go. Oh, I left my toothbrush. I'm gonna put it in the bathroom, I guess. There we go. And I'm gonna go. What's going on here? Do I know you? Do you want to join in? What? What? No, I'm not gonna join that anyways. Bye. Why do we need to do that? I'm gonna go get ice cream right now. Oh, that's it. On this, and I'm gonna go get what's a bubble gum. Here we go. And the ice cream in here is not here today. I'm gonna give it some money. Okay, here we go. There we go. And let's go. Oh, I forgot to buy a car. Where should I buy some car? Oh, is this it? Oh, OMG, I can buy it. Okay, I wanna buy some. Oh, yeah, I wanna buy some red card. But, what should I pick? Oh, I kind of like this. Let's say. Oh, no. I don't like that. Maybe we can choose this. OMG, we can get on the top, I guess. No, I cannot. I love this. Okay, let's go. Woo. Oh my god. I almost hit her. No, she's okay. I'm gonna go get some food. Maybe I should buy some food from the groceries. Yeah, maybe I should. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, there's a grocery. Okay, let's go. And pick this Doritos. And let me pick this. There we go. And let me pick this, and let me pick this. Oh, let me pick this, and let me pick white. And let's pick this. There we go. And let me get pizza. There we go. Got my pizza and Doritos. I got the Doritos. I'm gonna get milk. Oh, there we go. I'm close that. And let me get milk. I mean water. I don't know if there's water. But okay, let me go. And I'm gonna turn cola. There we go. And let me grab this. Okay, I'm gonna go now. I already paid that. What I'm gonna buy. So let's go. Yummy. Oh no! Oh my god. Oh no, where's the body? Did that run to take him? Oh my gosh, I don't want to be in that part of that. I'll go here. Oh my gosh, go here. After all. Huh? What is this? I'm gonna go get on the top here. What is this? What does this sign? What does this sign does? Let me read it. Porology. What does that mean? Is that mean porology? Because the tail is kind of look like A, so it's kind of porology, and I don't know what's porology right now. So let me go down. Ow, that hurt. Otherwise, I'm gonna go back to my car. Okay. So let's go here. Shouldn't be with that as well. OMG, this is perfect. Maybe I can go to the beach. Wait, no. Because I like going to the beach. So I'm gonna go to the beach and go swim in there as well. Let's go. The beach is kind of closest to a school. Okay, let's go. Let's go there. And I'm gonna go straight. Where's that? Ah! Okay, great. Let me park it here. There. I'm just gonna do this. Ah! No, my car. Yes. And let me park this. Over here at the side. No. Okay, I got it. That's great. And let's go. Yes. And let me get some one of these. And let's put my things here. There we go. And let's close it up. And maybe I should go here. Maybe I should go here. Maybe we should go stand like this. There we go. Oh, such a beautiful view. Oh yeah, I'm not gonna go here, so let me grab my things. There we go, and I'm gonna go. And okay, there we go. No. Oh yeah, let me go there right now. Let me go there and let me change the sign right now. It's kind of bad. I don't understand what is that. So I don't know what is power G. You know, I only understand the words, but I don't want. Oh my god. There's a people here. There's a people. What is this? What is this? Huh? Oh my god, I don't know what is that. So let me change the sign. Stop. Let me change the sign. Let me change the sign. Brookhaven. Brookhaven is good for all. Brookhaven is good for role play. There we go. Brookhaven is good for role play. There we go. Actually, this is pretty good because it has like it has a pencil that I can write. Let me see. Okay. Woo! Ow! That hurts my a little. And so let's go back. I'm not going to the beach anymore. It's kinda cold up here. So I'm not gonna go anymore. Yeah, I'm done. A bus, yeah, a bus. There we go. Brookhaven School. Stop. And let me go here. Okay, that must be good. Okay, let me go here. Yes, I mean that. I don't know which way is this? Okay, there we go. Like, wait. And oh, I like to swim here. Yeah, I like to swim here. Warning, danger. No way, there's no way. Ah! Dice.